Okay, Missy, I have an important task for you. You need to deliver this message to Bill Gates. Go! Hey Bill, have you received my message? We need to create a new migration tool. Please! Guys, let me explain you what my client was supposed to do. In this scenario, my client has one single tenant in Microsoft 365 and they need to migrate their employees' emails to the old email to the new email. But when you need to do a migration, you need to keep in mind that sometimes the clients change mind. And indeed, in this case, we have example name1 to name1. Which is fine. But then we have name2, and in the other side we need to create name2 plus surname. Again, in the third scenario we have name3, and with the new email we have another name. But with all the tools that Microsoft gave us, there is no such a tool that can help us to migrate or copy or sync those emails. I tried all of them. I tried everything. Nothing was really helpful. So the solution that I came up with is using ImapSync. Let's see the steps here. First step, download ImapSync plus the extension for the auth2 authentication. Then, second step, we need to guarantee the permission to the ImapSync application inside Azure. Then we need to create the target email. I won't show you this step because I already did it. Then we have the fourth point, where we need to log in into our browser with the source email and then as well the target email. This is almost optional because when we will use ImapSync, we'll open our browser and then we need to input the credentials. Then we have the fifth step, which is run the ImapSync application. This is where the real magic happened. And then, this is optional, you can create the forward or the alias from the source email to the target. Now, let's dive into this application and see how this works. Now, let's download the application. You can find the link in the description. Inside this folder, you will find just a few files. Here I was doing some tests, so don't pay attention to that. But the main file that we will work on is gonna be this one, ImapSync example out2.bat. I adapt this script from the original source, and here I adapt this script to my needs. As you can see here, I add source email and dest email. So I use them as a variable because then I'm gonna use the source email for the token, the destination email as well for the token. What happened here? We assign the variables, we create the token file, and then we do the call to action that's gonna open up the browser where we need to type the credential of the user. Then here is the real magic, this one here, ImapSync, where we are gonna sync the source email with the target email. So, and then the script is finished like that. Let's open portalazure.com and let's look for enterprise application. Then here, let's find for ImapSync. Just a quick disclaimer, this application is not authorized by Microsoft, so keep in mind that. Once we are inside the application, we need to go in permissions. Here, you need to click in grant admin consent for your company. You can click here, you log in with your email, and then you click accept. That's all, nothing else. Now let's go back to the main application here. In this example, we need to migrate the email internships to Ireland. Let's save this file and then let's run the application. As you can see here in the browser, the application is asking me to do the login. Okay, we are gonna do the login. It's gonna generate the token, and here the magic is gonna happen because ImapSync starts syncing the internship at accd.com to the target email. I'm gonna speed up this part, otherwise it's gonna be too long. Here the application is running, it's checking all the folders, what is inside in that folder, and how many emails are on the source email, and as well in the target email. In that case, can see how many emails need to transfer. Now, depending of the size of your email, you need to wait. Once ImapSync complete your process, you are ready to go with another email. Or, as I did, you can create another file and then duplicate The process. The process is quite simple. Just follow the step that I showed you before. The tutorial is complete. If you have any question, write a comment just below. And me and Missy, we are happy to help. See you in the next video. Bye!